Hey guys, hi everyone. Yo, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Trust you all are doing great. Yes, it's still me, your favorite girl, one and only Wonder Woman. Come on. All right guys, today we have to keep fit. Today we have to do what? Work out. Yes, because of its health benefits, because of a lot of things that it does to our body, to our mind. Yes. All right guys, this is Saturday here in Nigeria. Good morning, yes, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the country you are in. All right guys, without wasting much of your time, let us dive into the business. Let's go. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do me a favor by subscribing to my channel. Yeah, turn on my post notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you will get notified.
Oh, you love me, oh baby. Alright, you love me, oh baby. Love is beautiful, and you know it's meant for two. One for me and one for you. We could be so wonderful. You're my hobby, yeah. Tell the whole world that you're my lover, 'cause you're giving me special fever. I'll be your mommy. Treat you special 'cause you're my hobby, yeah. Let the whole world know you my lover, 'cause you're giving me special fever. Oh my gosh. All right guys, yes, that is it for today. Thank you so much for keeping fit with me.
Do not forget, no pain, no gain. Yes, that stomach fat must go. All right, guys. Yes, don't forget our rules. As I said before, kindly share this video to your friends,